This song is dedicated to the KBFL family.
Yeah, you can't for everybody. Not be said because I'm Muslim over there, or because I'm Christian over there. Whether you be pagan, if you get problem, you help you. You be Muslim, if you get problem, you help you. So the man of God for everybody. So go listen because nobody expect. If you don't suppose to pray with you, but because God in time, God I get in time. If you don't possibly say don't come into it, you go one can talk to you either one word or what you can wait, you can connect to it. Sorry, Allah Muhammad.
Long. The target for talk. Me we Tima, me na Maruf. We na me na the national president for the Kanu Branch Foundation. I get Jibril Afofana, in the Secretary General. I get John Ali, who call Balux, in the Chief Whip. We other brother, himself na dem comot, who behind that say they pray. Alim Jallo, he dey pray. Then this man wey hold the camera, in name Mahmoud A. Jallo, himself na outreach coordinator. That man, we call him Laspa, Mr. Kamara, himself na we member, na welcome. We get Mr. Kamarawi. This man will be on the pass now. Only days here, they count 24 hours. If you like now, they're born now. Mr. Kamarawi himself, but we count few man there. We get Alusnis Suleiman Subakanu, himself na member of the outreach. What's make a grab for talk small? I want on a left ake for we. This me brother we count with today. Let God continue for blessing. Let God continue for give. The kind heart we get. If now most of the Sierra Leone the way behind that can get, this country for don't go before small. This year to last year and this year alone, what we don't do in Boku. 2019 we did Zimi. Now we supply them picking with bag Nazimi under this man the same handwork 2019. That Roman Catholic school Nazimi. The area na news na radio Nazimi day. Now we supply them books and bag them. You know, now we supply them that one day. Now this man na do that day. The webcam, you know, the kind.
Mina Alusain, Subakanu. I dey in Maryland, United States. Me a philanthropist, I'm not a politician. Me a philanthropist. I like for put smile on people's face. You know, I go America 2012. Me wife na did them born am. Even me go to 2012. But when we go America, I go there with a mindset for give back to Sierra Leone, to give back to a country, Sierra Leone. But you not just go America, you make them up in life. You know. But with the blessing of Allah, I begin get job them, I begin get good job them and stuff like that. So we begin help, and then schools they will send school supplies and stuff like that. So they like today we don't get a foundation. We now the Kanu Branch Foundation. So that's the cap there with someone they wear and the t-shirt they wear me members they wear. The Kanu Branch Foundation Limited. We registered in the United States and we registered back in Sierra Leone and the City Council and Ministry of Social Welfare. But with foundation we base on schools and not all the schools. We'll be gently banded before we help people who suffer. Allow we start something. So we start for build the foundation. Long story short, 2018, it was a privilege, a honor and a blessing for Lakan and Sierra Leone with me two people then and we work with two Americans that will not ever come inside American in their life. We can open a brand new school with tile in and out and my friend. So we'll do that. Then the right education, we train them the right way, then go translate for become good secondary school students, and then go translate for be good graduates from universities, and we go get good citizens until we all over there again, but the country will be a better place. So now the vision, Danny. Alright? So that's the vision. Not for today or for tomorrow or for next month. But a long-term goal when we feel say it will start. So now that place will start the Kanu Branch Foundation will provide school supplies, quality school supplies for underprivileged kids. The video when my brother be the reference, I then in America I see a video where people they take exam and they write a gun. And this is 2020, 2021. We get that kind of thing and they still they happen. And not to fake. is happening. Schools cannot get the supplies what they need. Me, I start with my speech for saying, me not a politician, and I'm not. Me not Sierra Leone, me like. Alright? So if that kind of thing already happen, I look myself as Sierra Leone and what I could do for help the country. You know, so we start the Kano Branch Foundation, and we not get no international support, we not get no white man support. We working with the work, now we they put by the foundation. And I start alone, me and my wife. We start we build a school. We don't do everything before some Sierra Leoneans then at the United States meet me, say, look, we turn into a foundation. We already build a whole school. You know, so I got it for there and send the message, say, even though we foundation, you know, built around religion or mosques or church or anything, it's heart-rending for us to see this video what Mr. Jamiru make. They talk about this, the mosques, the non-bilam. This is a fantastic job, and I don't do a lot of job here. Understand? So, for when I need help, when I need some sun, when I need window, when I need this, when I need that, you know, we get one project every year, all the time for can help them prepare. It takes a lot for buy the books them, pack them in America, ship them. So we project and forgot color this year. But then 2 video I see the school and this mosques. I say any kind of way I can reach and do small thing. You know, I can reach and do small thing. You know, and the person will show me these mosques. I want me party back all day America. So he called me in a corner and said, Mr. Kanu, come back. I said, can't see this video back. He showed me the video because he knows say I did parent humanitarian work here. So he called me, show me the video, and I see the video. And I said, you don't get number for because the number not be there. So now he said, no, I don't want Mr. Brother Jamiu with number. He said, look the number. So give me that to my boss. Now I called Brother Jamiu, but in that I not be done because I WhatsApp I call her. So later now I send a message, and Brother Jamiu send me the video back. Me and to begin communicate, and I tell and say, my God in power, inshallah, I say I must kinda call you. So I didn't call you, me and my brother are there. Understand? I don't come for cancel the mosques, and I don't cancel the mosques, and I go where I go. Me and another promise, but this I will go talk about the mosques to other Muslims than when they in the United States. Outside the I will go tell them say okay, and right now my brother then take pictures and videos. You not even shake nothing now. So but yes, okay, but we believe so. If we spread the message, more Muslims than they and that. Someone will must come on board for support and help for Bill God use. And also, I'm glad we can team up here today. And the way how the speaker, what's the position, sir? The town chief. The way how the town chief starts in speech, where he say we get media, we get this, we get Timmy Fuller, this, the all man there, and this once. The message today is circled around peace and love for one another. Before I go to America, them I all be the sit down at their tower base, with the talk, with the support Arsenal, Manchester, they argue, this, that. But the love what you say you get for your next man, and the beg una let it be real. Let not be the love where you man turn it back to talk about type of backstab. Then say not fine. Because you go say they do good, but God allow to see you. You know, they hide, but allow to see you. So me, now a living testimony for say when you do good or when you get clean out, God will help you. Clean one, they help you. And they not no fake statements. Because when I go to America, everything easy for me. Everything easy for me. Because of the kind of I get to tell the salon and I prove unto them before I go. Then see me act clear one before I left salon to go to America 2012. Then since I go to America, me party them, I don't ever left them. Every week I must talk to one or two, say to today, from the day when we go to America. Every day, every week I must talk to one or two. When they meet up on our tab, and we say, well,
God make me succeed this whole election. So by God in power, this is not going to work, you know. Anybody really do it. If me not do, I'm other person they do it. If this man not do, I'm other person they do it. Let me believe no more say anything that God will work. It is complete. So now blessing for you money for the can God work. So I encourage you all, whether you day overseas, day anything you will do for God, not for trial you do. They could be what I say, clean out, or love one another, that are the most important things. God will forgive any kind of sin, but that sin will commit to you come to mortal man. Pass him forgive you before God forgive you. so they are big. I know they talk about cool, so because me and my mom don't like to talk too much. So they donate a small thing, what I say. I will give the money so that try to fast track the work for the mosque. Sallallahu
Allahu Akbar. Allahu Akbar. Let God bless you, brother. Mr. Jallo, let God bless you. Sheikh Jamiru, we welcome. My brother say, we always here. We get people away, we don't know sleep, we don't know food. So this school again, my father make for them. We want the way we love, we don't lose to papa them, mama them, we sister them, we brother them. The Huma to Muhammad, beside them, let God forgive their sins. The mistakes, the way they do, let God forgive them. So that day, and if you don't follow, make the prayer for them.
Everybody had a request.
Yes.
For the dua of the Muslims, the way they don't die go before. Who says sometimes